So for your right hand, when you're a right-handed boxer, you really want to get the power on this right, and the technique is very important because when you're punching, you'll use your left to open up a lot of punches, but you really want to save the right for those big shots. Correctly. So from your stance, you're going to bring your hand from your face and you're going to screw your foot down and into the ground and back. So it times. Starting at the foot, you screw it down into the ground, you drive from the ground out through the hip and out through the hand. So when you're against the bag, this will enable you to bring your weight forward as well. So you get a nice bit of power through the bag then. When your hips driving through the ground, the force coming out through the right hand, you get loads of force in then. So getting the timing right is really important. Getting the technique right is hard, but worth working on.